Phobias are much more than just being afraid of something. Almost all people feel afraid at some point, depending on their exposure to certain things or threatening situations. People with phobias, on the other hand, have a marked fear or anxiety about a specific object or situation that can lead to clinically significant distress. From a fear of wind to the fear of peanut butter getting stuck on the top of your mouth, these 10 weird phobias are strangely real. So here are the 10 weird phobias you've probably never heard of. 10. Ablutophobia, fear of bathing, washing and cleaning. Ablutophobia is the persistent fear of cleaning, washing or bathing and occurs more in children and women than men. It is not a very common phobia. 9. Arithmophobia, fear of numbers. For some people, a fear of numbers goes beyond frustrations over solving equations and understanding geometry. People with arithmophobia have an irrational fear of numbers in general. 8. Plutophobia, fear of money. This is one of those unusual phobias that can manifest as dread around money itself, the chance of getting rich, or wealthy people. 7. Nestophobia, fear of returning home. Home might be where the heart is for some, but others have the fear of returning home. These people might have experienced abuse there. Or, they may fear that others will view their return as a failure. Sadly, returning home may truly up negativity and family discord. 6. Calogynophobia, fear of beautiful women. Also known as venostrophobia, the fear of beautiful women goes way beyond nervousness or intimidation around someone pretty. Those with a phobia might feel chest pain, get numbness in the extremities, or faint when around a woman they consider attractive. 5. Nomophobia, fear of not having a mobile phone. The phobia is characterized by feelings of anxiety that arise from being out of a phone's range of service, not having one's phone charged, having no credit on one's phone or misplacing it. It is believed that over 50% of cell phone users are affected by nomophobia. 4. Somniphobia, fear of sleep. This is one phobia that can be particularly disruptive. Somniphobia is the fear of sleep. Sleep is associated with many health benefits. For example, the Mayo Clinic notes that lack of sleep increases your risk of developing colds. Even worse, a lack of adequate sleep on a long-term basis is associated with a greater risk of obesity, heart disease, and diabetes. 3. Pentherophobia, fear of mothers-in-law. Okay, everyone is a little afraid of their mother-in-law. But this phobia takes things to the next level. Usually it comes on after experiencing some sort of traumatic event. 2. Megarochophobia, fear of cooking. Megarochophobia, or fear of cooking, can take many forms. Some people are only afraid of cooking for large groups, while others are afraid of whipping up scrambled eggs for themselves. Megarochophobia is extremely common, although it is only considered a phobia when it is severe enough to interfere with daily life. 1. Lacanophobia, fear of vegetables. Lacanophobia is an unwarranted or an irrational fear of vegetables. The word originates from Greek lachno meaning vegetables and phobos meaning fear or aversion. So now we're done. If you like this video, please like and share this video to your family and friend. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button. And tap the bell icon so you're the first to know if I have new uploaded video. If you have suggestion topic for our next video, please comment down below. Thank you for watching. And see you tomorrow.